We have Fabio and Mr. American looking for a ride across the Atlantic. And well, if someone is creative, it's these guys.
Esto durante 8 meses con el 15.
In this video, we walk around the marina, meet some aspiring crew members, and yeah, show you a little bit what life is like in mooie deportivo de Las My name is Suzanne and I've been traveling around the world for a while now, of which the last years mostly on the sail as crew on other people's sailing boats. With Ocean Nomad TV, I like to connect you to the ocean, help you go on ocean adventures as well, and also increase awareness for a healthier ocean. So I'm in Las Palmas now and I'm not the only one. At this time of the year, it's early December, it's where many boats pass this marina to set sail for the Atlantic Ocean. So I'm meeting lots of people here looking for a sailboat ride, or also people looking for crew. I like to show you a little bit around the marina, show you what life is like here, and what kind of people are walking around the docks to sail across. So let's go!
And we are from Poland.
Hi, I'm Michał. And I'm Greg.
I'm Luis.
I'm Juan.
Fabio, and I come from Italy.
I'm James and I'm from Manchester.
Timothée. And I'm from France.
From Germany.
Me llamo Emanuela, soy de Francia.
Bonjour, my name is Valerian.
Ik ben Adrien, ik ben uit België.
This is Johannes and I'm from Germany.
My name is Mr. Yellow.
Soy Daniel Granados, soy de Barcelona. Y vamos al Caribe.
This is Canary, and this is the Marina. Why do you want to sail across the Atlantic?
To see what the life on the sea is, because I'm from the mountains.
We are like amateurs, total amateurs in the sailing world, so it's like an adventure for us.
Feels the freedom and to be with the nature on the ocean.
We both love sailing. We're sailing for quite a few years, and this challenge of crossing the Atlantic was always there. And just wanted to do it. It seems like a great way because you can connect it with meeting new people and have a great adventure out of it.
Para vivir experiencias, vivir mi sueño, que es dar la vuelta al mundo, conocer a gente y abrir mi mente.
Voor avontuur en omdat ik ook oorspronkelijk naar Zuid-Amerika wil gaan.
Time in nature.
A lot of sailing experience, and we wanted to complete it with Atlantic crossing cruise. And we wanted to get to South America, to hike there. So that's the plan mainly.
Okay. Una experiencia de naturaleza.
Okay.
You're free. You have nothing to sing. I mean, traveling without guys I've been playing.
You can't see only in TV. You have to live this.
A new life.
People putting up their ads about wanting to be crew on a boat, right?
Yeah, so these are all people having the dream to sail across the Atlantic and make themselves notice. In general, there's like 3 ways that captains look for crew. Usually they first look in their own network. If they cannot source the crew from their own network, then they will look elsewhere, either on the internet or locally in the harbor. Or they arrive here and they come to realize it might be handy, helpful, more fun to have extra hands on deck. Or it will help to share the cost.
Yeah, I will let you sleep peacefully. I will feed you well. I will make things that work. I will do almost whatever is needed. You know what? That's a great little effort.
¡Capitán! ¡Tiene una llamada! ¡Vamos!
How long have you been in Las Palmas?
For a month. What day is it today?
I don't know.
More than 1 week.
Just a few days.
We arrived 1 week ago. No, 5 days ago. Yeah, 5 days ago. Yeah.
2 weeks?
I'm 2 weeks.
2 weeks and a half.
Why am I here? The seed was planted in my head and I kept being curious, and then I figured, okay, if I can cross an ocean and I still like it when I'm on the other side, then I will continue chasing the dream to sail around the world one day. So basically I just started this adventure, no idea what I was getting myself into. Fast forward 3 years later, I'm here again in Las Palmas. I sailed across the Atlantic 3 times now as crew on other people's sailing boats, and for me an ocean crossing is just the ultimate way of disconnecting from society and connecting to nature. There's no Wi-Fi, there's no commercials, there's no noise, there's no traffic. It's just pure nature. Watching dolphins, watching the sunrise, watching the sunset, watching the stars, the shooting stars, watching the whole moon cycle, and just being instead of doing. I'm here in Las Palmas to make the world aware about a book I just wrote, Ocean Nomad. I just published it. It's the complete Atlantic sailing crew guide, and it's a travel guide to the oceans on how to catch a sailboat ride, how not, and what you and I can do as crew to make a difference for a healthier ocean. So I'm here now to help others finding a ride, sharing information, meeting like-minded people, because it's in these kind of places that I meet like the fellow ocean nomads. So it's a great place to be. So this is the Sailors Bar. This is where everyone comes to hang out, meet up and have a beer before they sail out for the Atlantic or when they just arrive. And it's a great place to meet crew, to meet captains, to meet all those fellow ocean adventurers. Here we have the boats in the bay and the big cruise ships over there. What does the ocean mean to you?
Free.
Libertad.
Avontursexy.
Nature kingdom.
Immensity.
Passion for travel. Wine.
Wine?
Vino.
Viento.
Yeah.
It's gonna be life.
Freedom. Life.
Life. Freedom. Sí, enorme espacio.
Freedom. It's a challenge.
Full now because we can travel, but the thing is that we are killing the curse. So we all the world, but I don't want to kill him. So I don't want to be egoist. I just want to take care of it.
Yeah, muy bien.
Because I'm most days of the year I'm in, under, or on the sea. I experience its magic, and I also see the current state of our oceans and its decline. So through this videos, I also hope to raise a little bit more awareness about what's actually happening and how you and I can make a difference for a healthier ocean.
We had some strong winds the last days, and when this happens, lots and lots of trash gets washed up in the corners of the marina. It's bags, it's bottles, it's wrappers. It's these things that fly away very easily when it's getting windy. So we must do what we can to not buy the stuff with all the wrappers, because this is where it ends up. I can even see the fish nibbling the plastic.
When I enter the water, I go out with more plastic bag, all the trash that I found on the ocean. All the people that when they go swimming, if they see a bag, they can catch.
Thank you, Fabio, for answering a few questions. What's new? Abribo.
We got a boat, no? You see it?
Yeah, I got no boat, so but it's
No,
perfect.
we're living on a boat.
Yeah,
we
living on a
rented
boat.
it in Airbnb, so it's okay.
If you like these videos and if you like to see more of it, subscribe. There's a button somewhere. And you will get a notification whenever I have the next video uploaded.
Thank you for following me and supporting me on the ocean journey.
Stay tuned!
I'm boat sitting here in Las Palmas, quite literally, taking care of someone else's boat.
I gotta fix this situation because I dropped the key in the water.
There she goes.